We've integrated an amazing new feature called Sketch to Image, which you can find under the Image Upload option. Simply click on Sketch to Image and upload your sketch at the top. Your sketches can be super basic, like the examples shown here. For the best results, make sure your reference sketches have high contrast. For instance, let's take this sketch of jumping people, and we upload the image and click Upload. As you can see, our AI takes the sketch and transforms it into a storyboard image based on the scene details, shot description, and art style you've selected. It works beautifully with various art styles. Let's look at another example. 3 women drawn in a very minimalistic style, and here are the results in different art styles. Here's another even simpler example, which still produces an incredible image in an animation style. And here we have 3 faces of women with flowers in their hair. These have been reimagined in an anime style, but with a different shot description, they could just as easily become sinister mermaids with snakes in their hair. Here's another great example, a pencil sketch and its result. And finally, a ballpoint sketch of a man at a bar with 2 impressive results as well. Another pro tip: if the generated image feels too realistic, try clicking on Variation. This often adjusts the image to better match the sketched art style. Have fun exploring this fantastic Sketch to Image feature.